Alright, this is the Currency Basics panel. This isn't a demo of features. This is a reference for how to actually talk to the currency system. Everything you see here is using the real ICurrencyService. No shortcuts, no fake flows. If you're building your own UI or tools, this is the pattern you follow. Alright, let's run it. Like the other demos, each text is turned off here just to keep things clean for the video. We'll start on the Setup tab. This is your entry point into the system. First, the owner. Currency is always tied to a GameObject. You can cycle through valid owners here, and everything else in the panel updates from that. Next, the service. This tells you what CurrencyResult actually found. If this says missing, nothing else matters. Fix that first. Below that, you've got capabilities. Currency is built in layers. Core is always ICurrencyService, but things like Audit, batching, or escrow are optional. So if something isn't listed here and not broken, it just isn't part of the current stack. Then we've got reason and sourceId. These are metadata fields. Reason is why the change happened. SourceId is what triggered it. If your service supports Audit, these get recorded. If not, they're ignored, and that's fine. Now the important part, balances. Each row here is a currency definition wired to the service. At the top, you see the live balance. Below that, you've got 3 operations. Credit adds currency. Debit removes it. Set overwrites the balance. When I hit credit here, that call goes straight into the ICurrencyService. No panel logic, no hidden behaviour, and the result comes straight back. This part matters. Every operation returns a CurOpResult. You get success, code, and message. No guessing what happened. This is how you debug your system properly. You might also see results affected by policy. Things like caps or limits. We don't go deep into that here. There's a dedicated panel for it. Finally, Audit. If your service supports it, you'll see entries here. Each one shows what happened before and after, and your reason and source ID. This is proof that your metadata is actually being recorded. If it's empty or missing, that tells you something real about your stack. That's the basics. Owner, service, operations, results, audit. If you understand this panel, you understand how to use the currency system. Everything else builds on top of this.